Yeah, that's definitely the cheapest Jordan we've ever seen in our life. $15? $15 for some Jordans? What the hell? Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We're checking out some Burlington Ross today. Let's go. Starting off with apparel, and look at this. Look at this Lakers Mitchell and S gear. Damn, this is dope. This is dope. What these normally go for? 30, 35. $35 normal price, down to 15 bucks. $15 does have that little Mitchell and S tag on the bottom. Man, that's fire. That is fire. That is a medium. Also got these Fanatics, what is it, like hockey jerseys? But it's a Laker hockey jersey. And yeah, I think these are, oh, these aren't Fanatics. This is U brand, my bad. U brand. These normally go for about 40 bucks, down to 25. Then look at this. Got a couple different sizes of those. And then got some Niners gear. This is an XL. I did look at it for a quick sec. Fanatics brand down to $20. 20 bucks. All these other ones are Pumas and stuff. I did check. Because your boy get some Niners gear, man. And then as soon as we walk down the aisles, do see one of these mother lovers. But it is a Trey Lance, dude. Medium Niners jersey, and it is a Trey Lance. Dang. So got the medium right there, and then also got an XL right here, normally $130. New Balance jackets. We've been seeing a ton of New Balance jackets. $25 for that one. Who the hell buys these? Like, really? It just says NBA. Like, really? Who the hell? I don't know. Those are weird. I think I'm in the double XL. These jerseys ain't bad, dude. These jerseys are not bad. This is U brand, and the quality, yeah, obviously not as good as like Mitchell and S stuff like that, but not too bad. 25 bucks. That is like an XL. And then seeing a flood of these Trey Lance jerseys in some of the other cities and states. Been seeing a bunch of like legit jerseys, Bosa jerseys, Debo jerseys, stuff like that. Not here. I think one of the homies has one for me though. Checking out the sneakers, kind of the same stuff we've been seeing. Do got these Donovan Mitchell, size 7, 35 for those. Forms, I feel like we've been seeing a ton of these. These are an 11 though, or size 12. I don't know what these been, what, $35 I think? I don't know. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures with some polka dots on the bottom. Going for 50. Those are size 10. Flyknit Racers right here. Hella bright. Going for $70. Y'all are smoking. Some insane, huge Hardens right here. Volume 6s. They're down to $35. These are like huge. Normally 50. These are size 17. Candace Parker, size 8.5. No price tag. Well, this one got a price tag, 25 apparently. They dropping the prices on those. Grant Hill 2s, 35 for these bad boys. Moving on to the women's section. They're doing a little restock. Nothing great though. Women's softball cleats right here down to 20 bucks. Damn, that's a steal. I was like, they got some speed turf that I hadn't seen. No, never mind. Those softball cleats, and then these Candace Parkers in 20 different sizes and colorways. That's about it, man. That's about it, man. Right across the way, dude got a Ross. Got some Nike Boss logo tee. Dude got some Nike Box logo tees right here. These are an extra small though. What the hell? $13 for those. Whoa. Look at this. Is this a Canada jersey? And it's a Nike too. It's a Nike Canada jersey. Yo, $120 down to $40. And this is a small. And it is for Team Canada. Wow. Wow, that's actually a fire find. That's dope. Nice Reebok jacket. This is a nice fleece Reebok jacket. Does have some nice, like $20. $20, god damn, that seems like a freaking bargain. Normally 80 bucks to 20. Been seeing a ton of these. Going for $17 normally. 55. I was like, is that another one? Nah, not another one. Team Apparel jackets. I think I'd grab one of these if I found a 9-in-1, especially for 30 bucks. Kind of looks starter-esque, but 30 bucks though, you know. But people have been finding real starter ones out here. Yo, this is nice. A track jacket, Team USA track jacket. This for the, is that for the soccer team? U.S. men's soccer team. 105 regular price. And that Ross price of $35. This was a medium. I definitely would take it. Yeah, but that's not gonna fit me. Damn, that's fire. Is that another one of these? Yup, another one of these Canada jerseys. What? These are fire. $40 for these. Damn, this is dope, dude. That is dope. Why can't we get some USA ones? Obviously, because the USA ones do sell out. Oh, got a couple of red track jackets. This is a Nike right here going for 30, and then have a Nike Day one right here. This is a large. $60. That seems way high. What the hell? Someone's smoking. That's tagged incorrectly. There's no way. And then Brady jerseys. Been seeing a bunch of these. These are Nikes going for $40. Those are larges right there. Guadalajara jersey right here, or not a jersey, Guadalajara jacket right here. This is a Puma, and this is pretty legit, you know. $80 down to 30. And then more of these Nike Canada jerseys. These are all larges right here. Dang, normally $140 down to $40. Who reps John Deere like that? Like what's going on here? Who reps John Deere like that? Got some Doyer PJs right here. Yeah, these are down to what, $17? Got a Yankees one right here as well. These are a 2X though. More of these Carolina jerseys right here. I'm looking young. Men's tops, not even the sports, but yeah, it's here. $28. This was marked down. Get your ugly Christmas sweaters right here. Griswold family Christmas holiday ugly sweater, 20 bucks. They got a Star Wars one right here. Baby Yoda. Jordan 6s right here in a crazy huge size. $56 for those. $15. $15. Holy cow, 15 bucks. These are a size 18 though. 18 for $15. Damn, dude. Big feet gang. Big feet gang got a little something. Okay. Do they have anything for us regular folks though, huh? Size 18 is kind of crazy. More in the regular size. Oh, size 16. Still not in the regular size. 65 for those. Got KDs right here. They go for 50. But how crazy huge is this? 17.5. When do they make half sizes up at 17? What the hell? 17 and a half. Got some shoes for tennis. $50 for those. Right now we're messing with some regular sizes. I'm in the size 10 and a half, so I don't know what's going on. $40 for these old schools right here, size 12. Zoom Core GT Turbos. And these are definitely interesting because they got some nutritional info right here. They got all kinds of snacks around. Haven't really seen these too often, I'm not gonna lie. 35 for those bad boys. Some Champions I have not seen. Okay, those are going for 30. More of these iShots. We've been seeing a bunch of these. Everybody been having all kinds of beanies lately. Got some Red Sox stuff right here. 15 for those. Am I tripping? Because I swear the beanies here used to be 10 bucks. 15 for this 47 brand Yankees one. Is that in my head or am I tripping? I don't know. But yeah, I got some New Era ones right here. Packers one go for 15. More Yankees. Dang. 47 brand New Era, don't matter, 15 bucks. Bills right here, New Era. Ravens New Era right here. Steelers one for 15. Got the Chiefs right here. Got the Bears. Damn. KC back here. Now think about it, I don't think I've ever seen the Rams. Kind of looking for one of my workers. Oh, I saw blue. I was like, am I gonna get lucky? No. Got a Bills one right here. Got a Broncos one right here going for 15. And these are normally like $27, $30, something like that. Eagles right there. Another Eagles. This is a new era. These are really nice. These are really nice. I have my Niner one with me right now. Yeah, that's my Niner one. It matches all this other stuff. This is a new era. $1,600. $1,600 later. I did get a warranty on these, and I got everything. I had to get another alignment. But man, yeah, all-terrain tires ain't cheap, man. All-terrain tires definitely ain't cheap. Damn. That's why I ain't been buying sneakers, fools. That's why I ain't been buying sneakers lately. Another one of these. I did hear about these. Been seeing them online. Everybody's like, Jordan 3 white cements, Jordan 3 white cement. Yeah, but they're freaking size 18s, dude. What the hell are we gonna do with size 18? What are we gonna do with size 18s? Like, really? You know, but everybody's using clickbait, everybody's doing everything, but size 18, really? They're $85. If you got insane huge feet, that's what's up. I'm here for a very specific purpose today. We'll talk about that, but $45. These are 11 and a half. Here to find some of those Champion slippers that I've been buying for everybody, but I need a few more. But yeah, not really finding any. Got Vans right here, some old schools, 35. Got some flame ones right here for, these are 40. Got some funky looking Uggs right here, $30. These, some Zions, Zion ones. These are a size 5 men's right here, $70 for those. God dang, that's pricey as hell. Do I have this colorway? I might have had that one, I don't know. But more Vans right here, some old schools, 7.5. Those are $40. These are $35 for these. No Champion slides. No, oh, they're not slides. No Champion slippers. I see some Ugg ones right there. Oh, wait. This might be one. Finally, but I don't think I need a size 11 though. God dang it. Got all my worker sizes that I'm trying to look for. Okay. And beanies will do too, but I'm just trying to look for specific teams. Steelers, not one teams I'm looking for. $15. Got a Bengals one right here. These are both new eras, which are really, really nice. Looking for a Rams one. You would think there's plenty of Rams stuff here, since we are, you know, that is a home team, but no, not really. Got Eagles. Got Green Bay right here for 15. Looking for sports stuff. Finding only Dodgers throws right here. Got a Yankees one right here as well. Not the teams I'm looking for, unfortunately. Moving on to the grade school, because some of my workers wear some grade school gear, but oh, they got Zoom Freaks. Got Zoom Freak 4, $65, way too much for those. Holy cow. And then checking the women's. All I hear are the freaking alarms. I'm not really seeing anything that I'm looking for. God dang it. Is this the last store for the day? I don't know. We'll see. Same teams here. Broncos. Do got the Bengals. Dang, more of the same. The Bengals right here. More Broncos. What the heck? Got a Niners one right here. But yeah, I'm just not a fan of that gray. I always find worthless Rams gear, and then right when I look for it, of course, nothing. And they do have a ton of beanies, look, like Packers. Just not what I'm looking for. All right, this is what I'm looking for. So I might have to grab this. This is size 9 for $10. Kind of the same stuff I've been looking at. Dodgers, Cowboys mugs. Dang, I saw all kinds of Rams gear before. God dang it. Pretty dope Vapor Jet gloves for football. Yeah, salute to service one. I'll grab this and I'll give it to one of the kids on my kids' football team. Yeah, I'll just give that I'll just donate it to the school. $45 for $12. Yeah, I can't give that up. Size 12 witnesses right here, $65. More Vans. We've been seeing a ton of Vans, $40 for those. Air Max T-Dubs. T-Ws right here. These are going for $65. I feel like these are cheaper at the outlets. Seen a million of these. Superstars go for 40. Way red. Last time I came to this location, they did have a ton of these Champion slippers, so they are moving. They do look like they're moving. Yeah, not really finding that many here today. Some tennis shoes right here for tennis. Nike's going for 50 right there. Don't know the name of those. Dang it, I should have bought that size 11. That's my fault. Dang it, I didn't check my messages. Yeah, I do got some huge blazers going for 50 right here. These are SB blazers right here going for 50. Starting to see forums getting reduced $31 for these. So they do have smaller ones right here. That looks like a size, I want to say size 5 going for $10. What says it here? Size 4. Yeah, size 5 going for $10. This looks like a size 6. Yup. But I think I have an extra 6 at home though, because I bought so many of these recently. They got some KDs in a grade school right here, going for $50. These are size 5 right here. And they got some of the Terex right here, which are some of their hiking shoes. Is this Terex? Maybe not. Maybe it's just the Adidas hiking shoe. $30 for these. These some Jordans, right? Yeah, I got some these the Deltas or something. But yeah, these are going for 70 at 5.5. Dang it, and the women's, not really finding much. I'm grabbing these two things, and of course, huge line. All right, kind of getting my gifts together for my workers. Damn, why am I buying for so many people? I got 2 other people right here that I'm gonna try to find those slippers for. I'm gonna hit up the Champs Outlet first thing in the morning tomorrow, or when they open, as soon as they open. But this is kind of what I'm getting my workers: some alcohol, some decent bourbon right there, water bottle right there. Got these slippers that I've been buying everybody, and some candy. Not bad. I am literally buying for 9 different people, so she might get Ultra Boost. She might get a pair of Ultra Boost that I did get at that at that liquidation store that is closing, which is making me sad. She might get that. If I can find these slippers for her size, I'll definitely get her one of these. But I have to find her size. I have to try to find it tomorrow. So if I can't find it, she gets Ultra Boost.